Direct donations, simplified for English learners. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, direct donation. This is a common term you might come across in various contexts, especially in charity and fundraising. Understanding this term is not only useful for everyday English but also helps in grasping the nuances of charitable activities. Let's dive in. A direct donation is a term used to describe a specific type of charitable giving. In simple terms, it means giving money or resources directly to a person, organization, or cause, without any intermediaries or third parties involved. This direct line from donor to recipient ensures that the full value of the donation is received by the intended party. Choosing to make a direct donation can be beneficial for several reasons. Full impact. The entire donation goes to the cause, without any deductions for administrative costs or fees. Personal connection. Donors often feel a stronger connection to the cause, knowing exactly where their contribution is going. Transparency. Direct donations often provide greater transparency, allowing donors to see the impact of their contribution. To help understand better, here are a few examples. Donating to a local shelter. Giving money directly to a local homeless shelter. Sponsoring a child's education. Paying the school fees for a child in a developing country. Providing resources to a community. Sending books or medical supplies directly to a community in need. Making a direct donation is usually straightforward. Here are the general steps. 1. Identify a cause. Find a person, organization, or project that you wish to support. 2. Contact them. Reach out to them to understand the best way to donate. 3. Make the donation. This could be through bank transfer, online platforms, or in person. I hope this video has been helpful in understanding the concept of direct donations. Remember, every donation, big or small, can make a significant impact. Thank you for watching, and keep learning and exploring.